Hi, welcome to our channel. Uh, 2015 vauxhall moka 1.4. Customer complained about occasionally misfirings and loss of power. So first thing first, we went to the plug-in computer and we had a look. P0300, very common fault. Engine misfire detected, or multiple misfire, or random misfire. So misfire means ignition coil pack or the spark plugs. Two things for petrol car. So we took out the ignition coil by unplugging here and two screws, and as soon as we took it out, and then we inspect the coil leads for any voltage leakage. Okay, we can't see anything here. So number 1 and number 4 seems good, and number 2 and number 3 seems like there is a sign of leakage of voltage. I don't know if you can see that. Let me close it. So you can see here, just here, that there's a sign of leak voltage. So when the voltages are they jump out, and then and then they have a misfire in the engine because of loss of voltages. So basically, this is what's happening. You can see the sign here, this black stuff. That's a melting of the rubber because of the leak voltages. Yeah, so it's better to change all 4 spark plugs along with the ignition coil. So technically the ignition coil is a faulty item, but it's better to change the plugs along with it. Okay, thank you.